Writers' conferences provide inspiring and informative keynotes and workshops. Most include things like social media strategies, general publishing information, writing critiques, and query letter how-tos. And I'm doing this video this week and my whole conference series in the next few weeks because I will be speaking at the Historical Novel Society conference. I have two presentations, one on symbolism and the other on starting a YouTube channel. I love going to conferences. I always have, I always will, and I'll discuss a little bit more about conferences in my upcoming videos. I cannot wait to dig into the Historical Novel Society conference. I am so excited and a little bit nervous. But when I was a brand new writer just starting out and I went to quite a few conferences, I always wish that they had some other kinds of workshops. This is going to be a little bit tongue-in-cheek, so sit back, have a cup of coffee, and think, maybe they do need that at a conference. Hi, I'm Autumn Bardot, and here you will find quick tips, author tools, and hopefully even a little bit of inspiration. Today, it's all about conferences and the conference sessions I wish they had at writers' conferences. Maybe you'll be able to relate. And of course, they probably never will have these, and you'll see why in about a second. The first workshop I wish they had was titled Grit. Get some. Learn why a writer needs this trait to write, to be an author. No-nonsense strategies for maximizing your grit during the writing, editing, revising, querying, publishing process. Session number 2 I wish they had. Workspace Optimization. Organizing your desk to accommodate your phone, your coffee, maybe a snack or two, your research notes, your computer, maybe a place for the cat, or where you can easily scratch the ears behind your dog. Best writing chairs will also be reviewed in this work session. Workshop number 3, how to stay sane while waiting to hear back from agents. Both traditional and non-traditional methods for reducing stress and anxiety will be explored to determine your very best opiate. Alcohol consumption, reading, yoga, and chocolate overdosing will all be explored and discussed. For effectiveness, the class will not include prescriptions for anxiety and depression. Session number 4, writing while making dinner 101. No burn, no fail, nutritious 10-minute recipes to prepare for your family while you're in the middle of the Zen writing zone. Session number 5, best brews for stimulating mental alertness. Includes sampling Kona, French roast Sumatra, and other blends while discussing the impact of roast strength and brewing methods on word count. I totally would go to that one. Class number 6, Ranting and Raving. Part 1, an open forum where writers can complain in a safe, non-recorded, and social media free zone. Probably best done after the Best Brews workshop. Electronic devices are forbidden. This is a popular session, so sign up well in advance. Number 7, the future of the adverb. An academic look at the fate of the much maligned adverb. Where will they go? What will happen to the useful ly suffix? This workshop is for writers who absolutely, positively, honestly care about the extinction of the adverb. Save the Adverb t-shirts will be available in this workshop. Number 8, the hard truth about the publishing biz 101. From beginning your foray into novel writing to polishing the final draft. This session will disclose in brutal honesty with numbers and statistics your odds of being successful. Statistics you don't want to know. Why? Because you will cry. This workshop would be a great prerequisite to the Ranting and Raving workshop. Attendees must bring their own tissues. Number 9, the harder truth about the publishing biz. 102. From query writing and beyond, more facts that guarantee to make you weep. Once again, the attendee is responsible for their own tissues. And also, bring a friend. The 10th workshop I'd like to see. Inspiration and why you don't need it. This will be taught by a badass drill sergeant who orders you to sit your in the chair and start writing. This session will whip all of your excuses into shape. 11. How not to piss people off on social media. Discover all the ways that you can unintentionally, was that an adverb? Insult, mock, ridicule, belittle, antagonize, humiliate potential readers and your writing friends. It will be a revealing glimpse at just how easy it is for you to look like a douchebag. 12. Beta reader speak, formerly known as how to critique with a smiley face. How to word criticisms about a novel to a young budding author in friendly, happy terms. Phrases like, your MC's motivations need some shoring up. This is an amazing concept, and a good editor will help you with your final draft. And other niceties to keep you on speaking terms with your fellow authors and writing friends. The 13th session I wish they had, how to laugh, ha ha ha, in the face of rejection. This will be a follow-up to the Grit seminar, and it will be a powerful class with tips to increase grit while maintaining a focused and positive attitude. This class has a special bonus. There will be hits of nitrous oxide, that's laughing gas, to assist you in promoting the proper attitude. The 14th session, I wish they had. How not to engage. This will be a rigorous class designed for those writers and authors who cannot help themselves but to comment negatively or oddly or weirdly on a social media post. Real-time strategies will be taught and practiced. Bring all your devices. And the last class that I wish they had at a writing conference, number 15, Selfie Symposium. Tips and tricks for finding your very best, most attractive pose. No. You'll look at best poses, background problems, plus the benefits and pitfalls of bad lighting. Once again, attendees must make sure to bring their phone. I hope you had a chuckle today. And if you have an idea for a workshop that you wish they taught at a writing conference, please let me know in the comment section. I hope you join me next week when I will be discussing the 10 things you must do after attending a writer's conference. As always, writers, dream, create, and embrace. Bye-bye.